Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off safe mode on Android. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to know that your Android phone is on safe mode, you should see safe mode at the bottom left. If you want to turn it off, just swipe down the control center. Then you should say safe mode is on. Click on the drop menu and then tap safe mode is on. Then you're gonna see a port that says turn off safe mode. Go ahead and click on turn off. And after that, this is going to turn off your phone and your phone will restart and all your apps will be available again. And then you'll be prompted to type in your PIN or password to complete the restarting process of your Android phone. And once everything is active, your Android phone will load in normal mode and then the safe mode will be removed. Now, all your application will not be available for you to use. And that is it. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.